Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can compress big file into smaller size with Winrar. So the first step you simply need to go is to select any file and click on the Winrar and click on add to archive, and here you can change the name, and archive format I'm going to select the RAR, and compression method I'm going to select the best, and the dictionary size is 128 MB, and you don't need to change anything in the other options. And here you need to click on create solid archive. If you want to lock your file, you simply need to select that option as well, but I do not want, so click on OK, and here you can see that it created a file here. So this is a process that you need to follow to compress big file into smaller size with WinRAR. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.